Is maintenance an easy job? The typical engine has 5 modules and 30,000 parts. It comes into an MTU shop every 5 to 7 years and stays on average for 58 days. We perform 80% of the repairs in a house, and the engine is worked on for more than 3,000 man-hours. But let me tell you one thing.
A typical engine doesn't exist.
We create customized solutions. As craftsmen, we combine world-class engineering with intelligent creativity. We provide maximum reliability for operators and owners. And we never give up until an optimal solution has been found. Because there is nothing like a typical problem in a typical engine. We are a workforce of 5,000 men and women, understanding, shaping, repairing, refining, and maximizing. That's what craftsmen do. That's what Aero engines need. MTUPlus Intelligent Solutions by MTU Maintenance.